In San Antonio, Texas today, we're looking at a property located at 8602 North Fork. This is off Mainland Road. That's between Bandera and Tezel Road. This is Mainland Oaks subdivision. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. As you can see, it's a 2-story. Square footage approximately 2,367. We're going to go in here and take a look at it. This is going to be an open floor plan. This is the living area, family room here. Kitchen there in the distance. Entryway, you do have some storage down here. Half bath, another little coat closet there as well. This is going to be vinyl flooring throughout the downstairs. The half bath has ceramic tile. This is going to be the dining area. And good sized kitchen here. Lots of cabinet space, countertop space. Refrigerator, you'll need a refrigerator, it goes right there. Nice big pantry and laundry area. Get a shot of this. Through that door right there is the garage. It does have a garage door opener. So that's the downstairs. We're going to go upstairs. Stairway is nice and wide stairway. You don't usually see one this wide. It makes it a little easier to get your furniture up here. We're going to go outside last. This house has 2 living areas. This would be the second one. You can call this the game room area or a loft area. All the bedrooms here are upstairs. Up here you're going to have carpet and linoleum in the bathrooms here. This is the second bathroom. We'll swing around here to the front of the house. This is the master. Full bathroom here. Have your double vanities. Toilets right around here. Also going to have a shower plus a garden tub here. And we're in the walk-in closet. This is also going to be a linoleum floor in here as well. All right, on to the other 2 bedrooms. By the way, that master is approximately 14 by 18. These 2 bedrooms, approximate size 11 by 12. And here we go with this one. Take a look in the closet. All right. This property is managed by Liberty Management. You can always call them at 210-681-8080 to get some more information. Or you can also call Mark Fee. He has a lot of information about this property. His phone number is 210-618-9161. Let's go out the back real quick. Here at 8602 North Fork. Good sized yard here. You're also going to have a covered patio. All right, there's a look at the back. 8602 North Fork. It's on Mainland Road on the Mainland Oaks subdivision. Approximate square footage 2,367. Managed by Liberty Management. You can call Mark Fee, 210-618-9161. give you a lot of information, or you can call Liberty at 210-681-8080. Thank you for watching.